Tech. I am back with the new video. Actually, in this video we are going to fix the issue with VS Code opening from terminal. Let me open my terminal first. So after installing our frameworks like CRA or Next.js or Gatsby, whatever the framework, so we used to type code space dot from the Windows command prompt, but here also same, but here it was having an issue, says command not found. So code command not found because the path was not given for the VS Code. So to do that, first let me move into the desktop directory, and let me open the Flexbox directory where I installed the Next.js. Okay, so now I am into this Flexbox directory. So I already have installed this framework. So now I want this to open in VS Code editor. Normally we can drag and drop like this when it will open, but to open from the terminal we used to use the code this command, but it says command not found. So let's fix this. To fix this, open the terminal, normally terminal app, then let me open the terminal. Okay, so when it was empty like this, you can open the command palette. So type the shell here. So when you type the shell here, it will show command install code in command path. So when you click this, in my case now it was showing command will prompt, also it was working. So when I click OK, it will work. So I need to enter the password and hit enter. So shell command code successfully installed in path. I click OK. Now when I open, so it was opening, guys, but it won't work in all cases. Some people might face this issue when you click install the code in command path. So it will show EACCES permission denied unlink user local bin code. So when you see this issue, what you need to do, first open your command VS Code editor, then click on command palette and type the shell here. If you don't see this recently used, okay, then click on uninstall code from path. So when you click on uninstall code from path, so click on OK and enter the password of your Mac. Okay, so done. Okay, then close the VS Code editor and close it from your menu also. Okay, so when you closed it, then open the command prompt, open the terminal, then you open the VS Code again and open the command palette and type the shell if it's not showing the recent. Okay, then click on install again. So once you uninstall, the path will be deleted. So whatever the path given before or wrongly spelled will be deleted. So you can install the path again. So when you installing the freshly after uninstalling, it will show this. So code will now prompt. When you click OK, it will ask the password and enter the password. Yeah, so the shell command code path successfully installed. Click OK and close the VS Code editor. Now go to your directory where you want to open, then type code space dot. So that's it, guys, it's working. So if you like the video, please hit the like icon. Thanks for watching, guys.